Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Mon Scalper EA for MT4 and MT5, and this is a gold focused expert advisor currently listed on the MQL5 Marketplace for $299 with a 6-month rental option also available at $199. Right away on the marketplace page, the developer describes Mon Scalper as a dual trend line breakout scalping system. Okay, and it is designed specifically for XAUUSD trading. The EA is currently on version 4.2, updated in April 2026. And according to the information here, the strategy is built around identifying breakout momentum only when both short-term and long-term trend lines align in the same direction. Now, as I scroll through the details, one thing the developer emphasizes several times is that the EA does not use greed, martingale, or other high risk money management strategies. All right, other high risk recovery techniques basically. So instead, the focus here is clearly on trend line confirmation and breakout based execution. The recommended setup shown on the page is XAUUSD on the M15 time frame with a suggested minimum deposit starting around $450 per 0.01 lot. VPS usage is also recommended to help keep the EA running continuously. Now, moving into the features section, the strategy explanation is actually quite straightforward. The EA uses both long-term and short-term trend line analysis together before taking trades, which is intended to help filter out weaker market conditions and focus on stronger momentum moves after breakouts occur. The marketplace page also mentions that every trade is protected with a stop loss, and the default settings are already optimized for most brokers, which can make initial setup easier for users who prefer a simpler installation process. Now, as we move into the historical backtesting and chart analysis section, this is where it becomes important to observe how the EA handled breakout conditions over time rather than focusing only on profit figures. So we are going to be testing the Mon Scalper EA on the recommended pair, which is gold, and on the recommended time frame, which is M15. Now let's just head over to the strategy tester right away, and let us select the Mon Scalper XAUUSD M15, and then for the delays we're just going to use the last ping to the server. All right, now let us begin the test. We are going to be testing from the beginning of this year, okay, the beginning of this year till date, so that we can get a reasonable data for the back testing. All right, although I will recommend that you test it over a longer period of time so that you can get a more comprehensive result and you can be able to capture more market conditions. All right, so in about a minute or less we should have the results out, and we're going to analyze the chart together. Just look at a couple of trades that has been taken. We're going to look at the trade history and kind of related to what we have already seen on the marketplace page, and then we're also going to analyze the results together so that we know how the EA performed over the space of 4 months and about a week plus. All right, so just a few more seconds and we're going to have the results out. Okay, all right, here we go. Now, looking through the chart's behavior, we can see a couple of entries already, entries and exits, right? You can see a buy trade entered here and exited here. You can see 2 buy trades entered and exited respectively. All right, so the entries appear structured around momentum continuation after alignment before the broader and shorter term directional movement. All right, now since the strategy is specifically described as breakout focused, You'll typically want to pay attention to how the EA behaves during ranging periods versus stronger directional moves in gold. And because this is a scalping oriented system operating on XAUUSD, execution quality, spreads, slippage, and broker conditions can all have a significant impact on historical testing performance as well as live results. Okay, and I'm still going to recommend running longer term historical testing yourself across different market phases so that you can better evaluate how consistently the EA handles both trending and volatile periods over time. Okay, now let's just quickly go to the results, and we can see that from an initial deposit of $3,000, the total net profit made was $1,093.77, right? And then we can see that the total trades taken were 145, 63 short trades with 82.54% win rate, 82 long trades with 87.8% win rate. Okay, the win rate is pretty impressive. Well, good enough, right? And then we have the largest profit trade at $70 and the largest losing trade at $76.29, right? So the average profit is $14.59 and average loss is $34. So what I can say is that the risk to reward ratio is bad, but the win rate is good. All right. So the win rate sort of covers up for the risk to reward ratio. And, since the risk to reward ratio is a sort of risking two to make one or close to that, at least the over 80% win rates can be able to cover up for that. And I guess that is the reason why we had this total net profit here. Okay. So remember that this is just historical, performance, right? It's just historical backtesting, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, the Mon Scalper EA comes across as a relatively focused and transparent gold breakout system with clear trend line based logic and a strong emphasis on avoiding higher risk recovery methods. But like any automated strategy, historical performance alone is never enough. All right, results can still vary depending on risk settings, lot sizing, broker execution, market volatility, and overall optimization choices. So proper testing and careful risk management are still extremely important before considering live trading. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.